Appeal to doubtful authority occurs when people use the ideas of non-experts to support their arguments.
Oh, hello, friends. I'm Montgomery Burns, your next governor, and I'm here to talk to you about my little friend here, Blinky. Many of you consider him to be a hideous genetic mutation. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. But don't take my word for it. Let's ask an actor portraying Charles Darwin what he thinks.
Hello, Mr. Burns.
Oh, hello, Charles. Be a good fellow and tell our viewers about your theory of natural selection.
Glad to, Mr. Burns. You see, every so often Mother Nature changes her animals, giving them bigger teeth, sharper claws, longer legs, or, in this case, a third eye. And if these variations turn out to be an improvement, the new animals thrive and multiply and spread across the face of the earth.
So you're saying this fish might have an advantage over other fish. It may, in fact, be a kind of superfish.
I wouldn't mind having a third eye, would you?
No. You see, friends, if our anti-nuclear naysayers and choose-up-siders were to come upon an elephant frolicking in the waters next to our nuclear power plant, they'd probably blame his ridiculous nose on the nuclear boogeyman. The truth is, this fish is a miracle of nature with a taste that can't be beat. So, to summarize, say what you want about me. I can take the slings and arrows, but stop slandering poor, defenseless Blinky. Good night, and God bless.
In this clip, Mr. Byrne convinces the citizens of Springfield that fish mutated by his nuclear power plant are an example of natural selection by using an actor portraying Charles Darwin to support his point. The actor portraying Darwin speaks as if he really is Darwin when he probably has no scientific credentials. Not only is the actor's logic about evolution flawed, but he is also a non-expert portraying himself as an expert. By suggesting that an actor portraying Charles Darwin is equivalent to Darwin himself, Mr. Burns appeals to a doubtful authority.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.